What's up, guys? Bullion Stax here with another video. So I just got the mail in the package from Snap Crackle Pop. There we go. That's it. Silver Dragons. See, I took off all the info, but check it out. Notes from him, first class. All right, let's get to opening it. Give me 1 second. Get the knife. I'm so excited. So I won this in a auction. It's actually a buy it now. And I was lucky enough to have my name be right after he said buy it now. And I won. So yeah, I'm going to have a link in the description of this video to his channel. Check him out, you guys. It's one of the inspirations, along with a couple other guys, a couple other channels. I'm going to do a separate video of a couple of my inspirations and some newer guys who I think need recommendations. And yeah, but hold on, I'm almost done here, guys. Maybe there's an easier way to open it. And there it is. Nice. Cool. Here we go. Silver Dragons, you guys. Oh, packing peanuts. Check that out. Oh no, I'm gonna have to pick them up later. It's all good though. Oh, there it is. Check out that piece dollar. Technically, in total, I got it for 22 with the shipping, but it was, oh man, what's up with this focusing? Sorry, you guys. Look how beautiful that is here. I'm gonna do it 2 times here. In God we TRV ST. That's so funny. Looks like a V. But cool beans, man. What year? 1922? Hell yeah. Cool, this is one of the first ones I have ever owned. But for the channel, this is the first channel piece dollar. I will feature it in some more videos. This is so cool. Thank you, Silver Dragons. Let's see if I got any other loot. Ooh. Check it out. I'm gonna go back to 1 times. Oh, back a peanut. More loot. Hell yeah. Silver Dragons, you guys. Yeah, he also pours. Every 10K subscribers, he does a live pour. Really cool. Check him out, you guys. Oh, I guess I didn't have to scratch off his P.O. boxes. Oh. Cool. Oh, dude. Oh, my gosh. No way. Hell yeah. I think that's one of his newer stickers. I don't know. I don't remember. But, heck yeah, man. Cool. Thank you for the sticker. I really appreciate that. This I'm going to put in a capsule just because I can, because it's from you. And yeah, I'm gonna hopefully get some other silver from some other channels like Yankee Stacking, International Stacker. That would be really cool. Get a little YouTube silver collection going on. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Sorry for the background noise if you can hear it. Hope you enjoyed the background. Thank you, Silver Dragons, once again. And yeah, later, guys.